In this video, we are diving into affiliate marketing on Pinterest, and I'll show you how to use TikTok to generate income. Also have a secret tool prepared for you that can fully transform your affiliate marketing business into a whole new level. If you're ready to turn your social media skills into cash, keep watching this video and follow every step carefully. Let's not waste any more time and dive into the video. Before we dive into the details, let's ensure we understand the basics. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale or action made through your unique affiliate link. It's beneficial for both parties. You help businesses generate sales and you earn a share of the profits in return. What is the right program for you? Not all affiliate programs are the same. Choose products or services that align with your content and your audience's interests to make your promotions more effective. Websites like ClickBank, Impact.com, and Amazon Associates are excellent places to begin your affiliate journey. Now let's talk about Pinterest, a visual discovery platform ideal for affiliate marketing. Remember, over 75% of Pinterest users are female, so focus your product targeting around female interests. Initially, I targeted mostly male-oriented products, but soon found greater success by targeting products for women. How do we go about creating content? Pinterest differs from other platforms. While most media sites reward the quality of content and other factors, Pinterest focuses more on the quantity of the content you produce. To attract customers, ensure you post photos and small videos at least 4 times a day. I recommend using the scheduled post feature, which allows you to set a timer for your content to be posted, ensuring it's spread out more effectively. Then starting with content creation, don't stress about producing all your content yourself. This is where TikTok can be useful. You can find numerous videos related to your product on the site. For instance, if you want to promote a product, you should find viral videos on TikTok manually. But there's even a better way and more profitable way to do that. Let me introduce you with the sponsor of this video, Shoplus.net. Shoplus is a TikTok analytics tool that helps sellers and creators track TikTok trends, discover product opportunities, and gain competitor insights for success on the platform. It offers numerous resources and insights about TikTok e-commerce and marketing strategies. Shoplus has 3 core features: real-time TikTok monitoring, comprehensive data analysis, and a rich database. Let me quickly show you how it all works and how we can use this tool for affiliate marketing on Pinterest. Click on the products and select top sales. Shoplus organizes all the data in an easy to read, easy to understand format. It includes various marketplaces and categories and offers searchability with filters for price, specific commission percentages, and product ratings. You can focus on products with higher margins such as 20 or 30% and only sell highly rated products such as 4-star or 5-star items. You can also filter data by specific time frames such as 1 day, last week, or the last month, and update it accordingly. To get started, ensure you have your marketplace selected. For instance, if you are in the United States, select that as your marketplace from the beginning. For example, let's consider beauty and personal care, and we can choose skincare. Now within the United States, under the skincare subcategory in beauty, you can see the top selling products within the last day. This includes their commission, sales numbers, estimated revenue, and importantly, the sales trend of each specific product. The sales trend is crucial because a product might have high sales, a good commission, and positive ratings. However, it's important to check if a product sales trend is still positive or at least steady. A product that sold well a month ago but is now saturated may not be performing as well currently. Always ensure the sales graph is still trending upwards or maintaining stability. The worst scenario is when the product sales are rising steadily and then suddenly drop significantly. indicating oversaturation or declining interest. This is a red flag to avoid, as it suggests the market may have become saturated with competitors, reducing the product's effectiveness and sales potential. As you can see, you get a lot of information. The twist tool, so you can use the first link in the description to sign up on shoplus.net and use the code SCHOOL101 to get an extra discount. Now let me show you an example. Let's choose a different niche. Click on this arrow right here, click on health, and let's choose food supplements. Now we can filter it by monthly and try to find the best product to sell right now. You can scroll down a bit and just search for the perfect graph. Let's take a look at this one. Improves blood flow and heart health. You can click on this product right here, and in this graph right here you can see product sales trend, and it looks like that this product is selling good, and even now its popularity is even more higher. What we can do now is just copy this name right here, nitric oxide booster, go back to our TikTok, paste it right here, and search for viral videos on this product. For example, this video right here. This is the exact same product we just chose, and this video might be a good choice. Just click on this, and our next step is to find this product on Amazon. So just open up a new tab, search Amazon, and paste the product name right here. Okay, I think I found this exact product just in different package. So what we are going to do now, we are going back to our TikTok, copying this video URL link, open up a new tab, type in snaptic.app. We are going to paste this link right here, click on download and download once again. And we just downloaded this TikTok video without any watermarks. This is why we use snaptic.app. Alright, now that's all set, head back to Pinterest. I already have an account that I used in my previous video, which is named Lean Lifestyle Ideas, and it fits perfectly our product. So now let's create a new post. Click on Home Feed, click Create Pin, and choose a file we just downloaded. Now all you need to do is give it a title, a description, and paste our affiliate link right here. For the title, we can go back to our TikTok and just copy this title right here. Go back to Pinterest and paste it over here. Now for the description, we can generate it with ChatGPT. So open up a ChatGPT and ask it to create a 200 symbols description for a Pinterest pin about, and we can paste this product name right here. Just copy this text and paste it in the description section over here. Go back to our TikTok. You can copy some hashtags, maybe these emojis. Just like this, we can delete these emojis. Lastly, remember to credit the TikTok user in the description. Now go to TikTok, copy this username, go back to Pinterest, type in credit at, and paste his name over here, just like this. And now the most important part, this is where you make money. In my example, I'll use Amazon. So we need to create an Amazon Associates account, which doesn't take too much time. So just go back to Amazon, to our product, and click on this text right here and just copy the link given. Now we can paste this link straight to Pinterest, as it may violate the rules. So one option would be to create a Linktree account and add your link there. Let me quickly show you how to do that. Just open up Linktree. I didn't show you, but I just created my account. So all you need to do is just click on add link and paste your affiliate link from Amazon. Click on add, and as you can see on the right side of the screen, there's an Amazon link already added. So we can change this title to our product name. You can go back to our Amazon store and just copy this name right here. Go back to Linktree, click on this pen right here and paste your name right here. Now, as you can see, our name is changed and everything is ready to go. All that's left to do is just copy your Linktree URL, go back to Pinterest and paste that link over here. Now just click on publish. Then using Pinterest, the impression to view rate is typically low. This means that the number of people who actually click on your post compared to those who scroll past it is minimal. Therefore, it's crucial to make your posts as engaging as possible. If you choose to explore paid promotions on Pinterest, I strongly suggest investing time in refining your posts to make them visually appealing and captivating. Paid promotion on Pinterest can potentially reach up to an audience size of 80 million depending on your budget. Remember, building your profile and portfolio will require time and effort to grow into something significant. However, if you persist, commissions will start coming in. Dedicate a few hours each day and conduct research on your target audience. It will pay off. I hope you found this video helpful and gained some valuable insights that you can use to earn money. Don't forget to try shoplos.net and use a discount code SCHOOL101. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.